Here is another video about arithmetic sequence to revise for your final AISL paper. The question is find k given the consecutive arithmetic means. So we have 3, k, and 11. We can work on that. So because we have arithmetic sequence, it means that the common difference is the same. K is the second term, so we minus the first term, which is 3, becomes d, and that's the difference. Or another part is we got the third term, which is 11. We subtract with k and we got d. So because both of them are the same difference, so we can equate them. So we will get k minus 3 is equal to 11 minus k. And we can do balancing in which first we add k to both sides. So we will get 2k minus 3 equals 11. And now we can balance with adding 3 to both sides. So we will get 2k equals to 14, and we can just divide by 2. We will get that k is 7. As for the second one, we have the same pattern, but just consider that the algebraic is more complicated, in which they have k squared plus 11 and k plus 4. So we can do third term minus second term is equal to the second term minus the first term, in which it is k plus 4 minus the first term, which is minus 2, and we did have k squared plus 11 minus the second term, which is k plus 4. Remember that we need to put a bracket because it is a collective group. And now it's time to expand all the brackets that we have, in which we will get k plus 6 equals to k squared minus k, and then 11 minus 4 is 7. So we can collect every term on the one side, and because this is a quadratic equation, so we can just find the roots with GDC to get the answer. The minimum point touching at x-axis at k equals to 1, and that's your answer. Now on the third part, in which every term is explained using k. So k minus 5 is the u1, and then the u2 is 2k, and the u3 is 2k squared. And we can do the same thing, which is d equals to d. First, we use u2 minus u1, and then we do u3 minus u2. And we can just expand all the brackets. And after that, we collect the terms on either left hand or to the right hand side, in which I will do subtract k, subtract 5 to both sides. And I will get 2k squared minus 3k and minus 5 equals to 0. Again, this is a quadratic equation, and you can just find the roots, visualize it on your GDC, and you'll find two roots in which k is at minus 1 or k is 2.5. For private tutoring, check the link down below and go to my profile.